Hello my friends, my name is Kat. Welcome to my channel, where today I feel like a sex kitten. Like, not a creepy kind. Oh, there goes my cat. Okay, I'm not sure what you're doing. I feel spicy with this black eyeshadow. Today we are reviewing the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette. Here's the outside packaging, and here she is. Now, normally I would be super excited because there are some really pretty metallic shades in here, some rose gold, some silver, right up my alley. But today, your girl's wearing a black dress. She needs to be a boss-ass bitch, so she's wearing black eyeshadow, which I don't do very often because some shit can happen with black eyeshadows. It can look like a goddamn mess and you just look silly. Anyways, let's get a bit closer. Oh, sultry. So, we are going to go into the tutorial of how I created these kitten eyes. I just got it in my mouth. Let's do a tutorial on how I did these eyes, and then at the end of the day, I'll do a check-in, and we can see how they look, because I have a scary feeling that this is gonna be everywhere. That's what happens to me sometimes. Mind you, I do work in a very busy body shop. That was a lot of B words. Anyway, where I don't have AC, I work in an estimating bay, so just like a giant garage, you pull up into it and I am there. So it is hot as shit today. It's supposed to get up to 32 degrees, and there's no setting spray in the world that can save you. Pray for me. And if not, we'll just laugh about it later tonight. Yeah, so let's get into the tutorial, mates, and see these smoky obsessions. Oh, hello. Just kidding. Alright, let's go. Right, Remy? Who's that kitty cat? Who's that? Oh, hi guys. I'll just come close to you. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's have a chat here. This is why I don't wear black shadows very often, is because they're very smudgy, and this looks like shit. This looks like shit. Guys, look at it. Oh. Now, let's defend Huda Beauty for a sec here. I have had this shadow on for 12 hours. I also work in a bay, like like a garage. I work in a body shop. Holy, I don't have words. Where I don't have any AC. I'm under vehicles. I'm moving around lots. I'm sweating. It's terrible. I love my job. Don't get me wrong. It sounds like I am a slave, but it is not the place for a glam look. I'm still a glam princess, so I still attempt, and this is what it looks like. I used a primer that I use all the time, my MAC paint pot, and I did use a setting spray. There's nothing that I could have done differently. I even touched this up at lunchtime, so I touched this up 6 hours ago. She's not okay. She's not okay at all. So I'm going to give this one another go because of the situation, the weather, me working, me sweating. Besides that, they blended really nicely, and the thing that I do love about the black is that it's not super, super black, if that makes sense. This is a swatch of it. Because when a black is too black, sometimes if there's too much pigmentation, then it can get even messier than this on the face. So that's why I don't fuck around with black shadows very often. So the browns were fun. They basically blended out to be almost the same color though. So those are the two browns. Like, they're so similar. There is no shade names. There's none. So, tomorrow, my friends, we're going to do this again. Not the same look, but we're going to use this palette again because I want to love it. And it's not fair for me to just give up on it after one try. There's still a bunch of colors I haven't used in here. So let's try it again tomorrow for Huda Beauty Week, apparently. Yeah, sure, let's do that. Alright guys, I will see you tomorrow. Oh my god. I'll see you tomorrow, mate. My eyes.